crack it.
You put it on your tongue. Yeah.
Is it just gonna burn?
It's supposed to cool the brain down. Are you alright?
I'm starting to cry. Get some water, Jill.
Get some water. I have a water bottle in there.
The salt does work. The salt helps a little.
Go ahead, you can pull the faucet off the thing and rinse your mouth out. Okay, just give it it's gonna burn for like fucking 1 hour, dude. Maybe not an hour, but you know.
I'm so glad I finished my food.
You're done eating already?
Yeah.
Just eat some celery sticks. I got some celery sticks.
I told you not to take a big bite, Jill.